On the evening of August 15th, 2023, a confrontation occurred inside a regional transit train in the 3800 block of 24th Street in Sacramento, raising serious questions about police tactics and public safety. That day, officers received reports of an individual wielding a large knife, causing alarm among passengers. In this video, we will be reviewing the bodycam footage and audio released by the Sacramento Police Department to better understand the circumstances on the ground and the high-pressure situation the officers faced. This footage provides a first-hand look at an incident where officers had to make split-second decisions under extreme stress.
Right here in this door, you have one passenger on your passenger. You got him right here.
Okay, can you open this door for us? Oh, okay.
One talking to the police is the one in the red shirt. Part of the red shirt is the only other one.
Hello. Can you step off, sir?
Hey, step out, step out, step out.
Can you step out?
Oh, come on.
Can you just put your hands on your head for me, please? Listen, we want everything and everyone to go home safe. I just need you to do everything that you say, okay, or everything that we tell you.
Like I said, I love you, bro. I appreciate you, bro.
Get him off.
I can't do it. Get up now. Please, I can't do it, bro.
Stay there, okay? What's your name?
I'm scared of y'all, bro. Please don't.
No one's gonna hurt you, man.
Please, sir. Please, I know y'all gotta do your job, but I'm scared of y'all right now.
Okay, do not grab the knife.
Okay,
Do not grab the knife, okay?
Please, bro. Please, bro.
Take a...
Please, bro.
He's on board.
Please, bro.
Do not grab the knife.
Please, bro. Please, bro.
Do not grab the knife, man.
Please, bro.
Listen to me.
You guys got me scared of y'all, bro.
Listen to me. If he stands up, less lethal.
Please, y'all.
Drop the knife, okay?
I can't do it, y'all.
What's your name?
I can't do it. I can't do it, sir.
Back up,
I can't
back
do it.
up.
Please. I can't
What's
do
your
it,
name?
sir. I can't do it. Please. I can't do it. Please, somebody.
Do not let anyone in that door, okay?
Please. I'm not going to open the door. Please.
What's your name?
Please, sir.
What's your name?
Please, sir. I'm not trying to go do nothing. I'm not trying to do. Please.
Listen.
Please.
Listen, we do not want to hurt you.
Please, I can't do it, man. I can't do it, please.
Next you did.
Please, Lord. Please, I can't do it. I can't do that. I can't do that. Go ahead, bro. I can't do nothing. Please, I can't do nothing, y'all. I can't do nothing. I can't do it. I can't do it.
We're having trouble.
Please, I can't do it, Lord.
So we'll take it.
Y'all, I can't do it. They got me, Lord. I can't do it, y'all. Please. Y'all, this is so much. I can't help it.
We're here to help. We're here to help you. 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 We're here to help you.
Help me!
What's your name?
Please help me!
Probably block off that door. Do not let anyone in that door.
Please! Don't run on me, please! Please don't run up on me!
Listen.
Please don't run up on me! Don't run!
No one wants to hurt you.
Me! I'm telling you!
Please drop the knife.
See? Like that's what y'all gonna do!
Drop it! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
This tragic incident is currently under investigation by the Sacramento Police Department's Homicide Unit, Internal Affairs Division, and the Professional Standards Unit. Additionally, the Office of Public Safety Accountability and the Sacramento County District Attorney's Office are providing oversight to ensure the investigation remains impartial. As seen in the footage, officers attempted to use less lethal options, specifically a beanbag shotgun, before ultimately resorting to lethal force, after which the individual was pronounced deceased. This raises the difficult question of whether other outcomes were possible in such a volatile situation. All eyes remain on the legal investigation and its eventual findings. What are your thoughts on how this situation was handled? Please share your perspective in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we will keep you updated as more information becomes available.